How to reset the 2021 Toyota Highlander Platinum maintenance light. Okay, you'll start with your car off. Push the start button 2 times without your foot on the brake. Okay, you'll see the menu, and then with the arrows on your steering wheel, if this comes up, hit the back arrow, it'll go back to your menu. Go down until you get to the gear icon, and then go to the right. The little 3 dots at the top show what menu you're on. You're going to want to go to this icon here, hold the OK button, scroll down under Schedule Maintenance, then hit OK. Hit the up arrow and hit OK. That's it.